Hey everyone! Today I'm making a delicious tuna casserole. It's a little different from the traditional version, but it's packed with flavor. Here is what you will need. But don't worry, it might seem like a lot, but it all comes together beautifully and it will be meal for 5 or 6 people. Feel free to pause the video if you need to. Let's start by prepping our vegetables. I'm chopping onions, garlic, bell peppers, zucchini, and squash. Tuna casserole gained popularity during the Great Depression due to its affordability and use of canned tuna, which was a relatively inexpensive protein source. While the basic recipe remains similar, there are regional variations across the United States. Some variations include adding different vegetables, using different types of pasta, or incorporating other ingredients like bacon or sour cream. There are countless ways to customize tuna casserole. Experiment with different ingredients and flavors to create your own unique version. This is just a guideline. I want to thank Chef Jean-Pierre for sharing this wonderful recipe, which he inherited from his mom. If you're not interested in watching me chop the vegetables, feel free to skip ahead to the part where I start cooking. For those who are new to cooking with these vegetables, I'll show you how to prepare them from start to finish. The squash is probably the trickiest from them all. Personally, I prefer to chop all the vegetables and open the cans before I start cooking. Then I can add the ingredients one by one without feeling rushed. Believe me, I used to get stressed out trying to cook everything at once, but since I started preparing the ingredients ahead of time, it's been much easier and more enjoyable. I began by sautéing the onions. When they are translucent, I'm adding rice, and I saute that for a couple minutes. Once the rice is slightly softened, I'll add the garlic and fresh thyme leaves. Saute for a minute or two. Next, I'm adding canned tomatoes to create a flavorful sauce. Make sure to stir the casserole occasionally to avoid sticking. I'm doing it throughout the whole video. I'm adding 1 cube of chicken bouillon dissolved in approximately 3 cups of water. You can use water or broth for the liquid. Time for bell pepper. And zucchini goes next. Make sure to put enough liquid in there. Better more than not enough. I'm adding squash, mixing it well. Time for seasoning. Salt and black pepper. And here is my secret ingredient, sriracha. I put probably 1 full tablespoon, maybe a little bit more. It depends on your preferences. Then I put the black olives. And guess what? Stirring again. I'm adding a little bit more water. Now it's time for our tuna. And we're almost done, friends. After thoroughly mixing the ingredients, I'll cover the pot and let it cook on low-medium heat for another 3 to 5 minutes. And we are done! Congratulations! Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It's really delicious. I made this recipe for the first time and my whole family loved it. So many flavors in one dish. Let me know in the comments how did it go.